registration form is developed using Python Tkinter library. This is a GUI application to register the user details. The project contains a simple register system from where users can register themselves easily. In this project, the user has to perform all the main functions. About system. In order to register successfully, the user has to provide complete information such as her full name, email, gender, country, and programming knowledge. If the user clicks the submit button with an empty data field, then the system shows the error alert message. The project file contains a Python script, form.py. Also, the design of this project is pretty simple so that the user won't find any difficulties while working on it. This registration form has full validations. How to run? To run this project, you must have installed Python on your PC. After downloading the project, follow the steps below. Step 1, go inside the project folder, open CMD, then type form.py and enter to start the system. Step 2, simply run CMD the Python form.py file and you are ready to go.